No. Dude, it's been a very interesting November so far.
What are you talking about? It's only been a couple of days.
I know, a couple of days of amazingness. Well, I wholeheartedly apologize to the people. We haven't been on for a couple of days. We've had some family stuff that we needed to handle each individually, so we do apologize. But here we are. Welcome to Daddy Bits, your trade idea show hosted by the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the Master Crayon Eater, and as always, my amazing co-host.
What up? Welcome back, Saint Teflon John, doing it for the kids.
You know what's very interesting? It seems like it's crayon season.
Yes, it is.
It's crayon season.
It seems like it.
It seems like it's crayon season because all the crayon stocks are mooning. And for those who don't know what crayon stocks are, it's just, for us crayon eaters, these are the stocks that we like to feed on.
You mean the stocks that don't make sense?
Who hurt you, John? Like who? Every time I bring up a meme stock to John, it's always the same reaction. Meme in, meme out. No matter what meme stock it is, it's not going to do anything. I'm not going to play it. I'm not going to do anything. So earlier, John texted me. He's like, hey, Bed Bath & Beyond is moving. And I'm like, off of what news? Right? Granted, it's a heavily shorted stock. We know that. Yeah. But Bed Bath & Beyond reported great earnings. Plus, they're doing a share buyback. Right.
Plus, so they partnered with Kroger, one of the biggest retailer. Yeah.
So there's a partnership. There's a partnership. So they're very bullish stuff, right? So it's not the stock is running 100%.
100%.
And John texted me 2 weeks ago saying, "Hey, what do you think about Bed Bath & Beyond?" I'm like, I'm off.
You did. I texted you. I was like, dude, the chart's setting up, man. I didn't know it was going to
setting up. And then he texts me today and he goes, "No, this is bullshit." I'm like, John, who hurt you, John? Who hurt you? And I had this face on too, like, John, who hurt you? I'm so concerned. I'm so concerned.
It all started with AMC, man.
But the chart is definitely setting up, right? The chart is definitely setting up. And if you guys are interested about how we see charts and what we think about the charts and how we know that it's setting up, make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Buzz Down Academy. BuzzDownInvestments.com. Buying calls when stocks are at an all-time high will leave you severely cross-eyed. Bust Down Academy, BuzzDownInvestments.com. Yeah, exactly.
That was a good one. I'll do a 10 on that one.
Yeah, when you I've always been scared of that because I remember as a kid I was what's it called in Tagalog, it's called pamahiin, or like an old wives' tale or a saying that if you do your face a certain way, if you're making fun of people, if the wind of God blows on it, it stays that way.
Yeah.
So I never wanted to do like cross-eyed faces. So much fun. So if you guys are interested in the stocks that we're going to cover today, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs up, because John, if they give us a thumbs down,
your mama is a hoe.
Hey Kevin, John made $6,000 today. Is that no knowledge and useless information? You dickhead. Oh man, let's get to it.
Shout out to Peter.
Oh, shout out to Peter too. Hey, let's get to it after this intro. All right. Let's get into some member games. I'm running out of ideas. Let's get into some member games. All right, let's take a quick look. This is great. What a day, what a week. Actually, we could go all the way back to yesterday's gains. Let's take a look back at yesterday's gains. We had some amazing movements yesterday. Let's see here. 1029, 1029. Here we go. Asian boy hitting the three-peat with Tesla. Savage moves, Andrew. Nice on you. Starting off November, right? V8, nice moves on Tesla. Knowledge, some upstart of knowledge. Out AMD. There was an AMD short yesterday. Yeah, nice move.
Yeah.
Dead Prez hitting that Volta for sure. Let's go.
Volta? Is that a car company?
I think it's an EV play. I know it's an EV play. I don't know if it's charging or units.
Okay.
Right.
Never heard of it.
Shout out to Bruce. Bruce is actually a good friend of mine. Yeah, Mr. Bruce hitting that Sofi one time for the one time, hit that QQQ one time for the one time. The captain of the ship himself, nice $2,900 on Tessies.
Hey, make sure to find your boat, okay?
It was like, I don't need a boat. Where's my lake? Andrew hitting it again with 7,100. Savage moves, right? And again, if you guys post some gains on our Discord, we do congratulate each and every. We'd love to see it. We love to see everybody eating, unless your name is General Sodium. I'm gonna update everybody on this SoFi swing. I am still in this SoFi swing.
Hey, you know what? Last night in our class, everyone was just talking smack, like left and right. Like,
your AirPods wasn't working, so they said they came from China and they're called HairPods.
Oh man.
You ever have one of those moments where you're just reading something and you just drop your phone and walk away because it's too funny? That was one of them yesterday.
Last night it was just left and right. I was just throwing jabs at everyone.
All right, so for today, some savage moves on some Tesla here. Good on you. 8-minute workday. Some savage moves on Tesla. Was it 3,300 on Tesla in the morning?
Yeah.
Right, some more Volta. Captain of the ship with 5,900 on Tesla. 5,900 for the day. All right. Shout out to Ashton. Ashton hit that 145 on Tesla. You double dipped. You went back in. You did. For another 28. Nice. Terry, nice moves on Terry. That's pretty much it for member gains. Again, if you guys are interested in joining us, make sure you guys hit up our friends of our academy.com to learn more. The first stock that we want to cover is actually a review of a play that I've been in on for the longest time now, which is Sofi. Yeah. Sofi gave us some nice moves yesterday, and I think there's more to this, John. One thing to note, though, for Sofi is, let me zoom in real quick here.
I like it.
We're seeing this nice trend line, right? This trend line has been continuous. Right, yeah. I'm really liking this trend line. What happened on Friday was it tested that EMA 9. It broke, gave us a nice flagpole yesterday. This was I think $20 to $22, right? Solid move yesterday.
It was a 10% move yesterday. Yeah.
And as expected, right? Every time we see a nice move up, we see a sideways day. We might see 2 sideways days. We might see 3 sideways days before it ultimately shoots back up. But if you are still in the Sofi trade, it is bouncing off the EMA 9. Today was a very solid Dragonfly doji. I am super excited about this. We are not above the Bollinger Bands. I am seeing a resistance of $22.94, which got rejected, by the way, to a T.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. Yeah, you called that one. Yeah, you texted me that one.
So $22.94. I put up $22.94 up early in the morning, and I said, "Hey, watch this hit $22.94. If it rejects, we're gonna stay in. If it moves up above it, we're gonna go all the way up, because to be honest with you, above that, there's really no other resistances all the way to like 26 or 28. So there's more to Sofi tomorrow or the next couple of days. John, what do you think?
Well, I missed my my buy for today. and it was just so busy because I was just staring at Tesla for 4 hours straight. And there's a backstory with that. But for this one right here, that long-legged doji, that long shadow, that's a nice bounce. Today it showed strength. Today was actually a choppy day, really. A lot of stocks were just going up and down, and one of them was QS. But this one right here, there's gonna be a continuation on this one, and I wanna hop back in on SoFi.
Nice.
And plus, they're reporting earnings, right?
Yeah, earnings is on the 10th, which is next Wednesday.
Next Wednesday, okay. Yeah, so there might be a run-up.
Yeah, there's a run-up to earnings, most likely. I am currently 10 contracts deep. I am going to go ahead and trim 8 contracts right before the report and let the 2 ride, hoping that the run-up has more continuance, and if it does, amazing. But if it dips, at least I know I've already collected profits. So that's my plan for this trade. And I think depending on what is said on the earnings report, I might do a leap for next year. What do you think?
Yeah, SoFi is actually one of the fintech stocks that I want to put in my long portfolio. Nice. But yeah, I've been checking out SoFi for a while.
Nice. The next stock that we want to cover is Bed Bath and Beyond.
BBBY.
BBBY. Not to be confused with BBY, which is Best Buy, a great stock and a great company. But add another B to that.
You haven't been into a Bed Bath Beyond?
Yeah. So I used to work. I used to work for iRobot.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I used to work for iRobot, and I used to go to Bed Bath stores to check on Roomba.
Yeah. Yep.
So
they carry stuff. They carry a lot of things.
They do. They carry stuff that they shouldn't be carrying. like have you ever gone to have you ever had an experience where you go to an adult store and you see a doll, like a baby's toy? Like that shouldn't be happening, right? And it happens all the time at Bed Bath and Beyond. Like,
that's true.
Unnecessary things.
They carry kitchen stuff.
I mean, they carry Bed Bath and Beyond.
That's true.
Shout out to the movie Click, by the way. I like that movie.
Yeah. Bed Bath and Beyond. So what happened today? Okay, so well, actually, you know what? You guys can go ahead and read the headlines. The stock shot up 100%. It's bullshit. That's all I can say. That's all I'm going to say. I'm so pissed. I'm so pissed. I told you about the setup 2 weeks ago. I was like, hey, bro,
me too.
Should we swing this? Because it looks good, but it's a meme stock. I despise meme stocks. I just fucking hate them. All right.
You don't see the fundamentals.
There's no fundamentals. Exactly. I've been to a Bed Bath Beyond last week for the very first time. It was cramped. Everything was in there. I was like, wow, they sell everything. It was dead, by the way. No one was shopping there. All right. I have nothing to say with Bed Bath & Beyond, but the stock's going to gap up tomorrow. Obviously, it's going to hit 30 at least. I do expect the gap to be filled on the way down. So most likely expect some profit taking. Shout out to Andrew, man. He got some January calls.
Savage moves. See,
it's going to print.
I mean? You see, and all of his calls have been printing. This is a prime example. A prime example of a person who listens to us. A prime example of a person who takes everything that we say and he applies it and turns it into his own secret sauce. Congratulations again, my guy.
I want to see how many thousand percent. Is it going to be at least 1,000%?
Oh, for sure.
Right?
I have a feeling that's already there, right? I mean, we're not in the business of asking about people's personal portfolios. We only see what the gains page tells us. But if we're going to speculate, yeah, I think it's at that 1,000%. So congratulations to you, sir. You have worked so hard for this, and we do appreciate you being part of the team, and we also enjoy seeing you win. So congratulations. But I mean, Bed Bath and Beyond. So that's just crazy.
I ain't got nothing to say about Bed Bath Beyond.
This is crazy. This might run tomorrow. I have a feeling that it's going to sell off and run and slingshot. So I might take a feeler on this, John.
It has a high short interest, so a lot of shorts are going to get squeezed on this one.
Yeah, so it might be tomorrow morning. right? Especially when the options chains open up at 6:30. Might be some FOMO buying. I know I will. Because I haven't been hurt by meme stocks before. The next stock that we want to cover is Zillow, ticker symbol Z. John, let's talk about a company that's really crappy, Zillow.
I don't know what the hell they did, but this is not good news. They destroyed the company.
They did. They destroyed themselves.
They destroyed themselves pretty much. So Zillow is not selling houses anymore. They're not flipping houses anymore.
No.
And on top of that, they laid off like how many people? Was it like in the hundreds?
Yeah. So for those who don't know, right, or for those who actually care, so Zillow, from what I understand, is a company that lists houses. Think of it as like a millennial way of buying houses, right? Because they're like they're super cheap, I guess. So what they do
built
is
their business model, though.
Yeah, I know.
The reason that they were running so much was because they started selling houses.
Mm-hmm. Right.
They didn't have that business model. They changed it.
But they were also undercutting the market.
Oh yeah, they were.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they were. So it becomes more of how do you say this? An unsavory business practice when you are undercutting the whole market and you guys are banking off of the houses that you guys are buying and selling. So if you guys are kind of blacklisting people who are boots on the ground, like your realtors that are on the ground, right, that are actually doing the hard work without, they have the online support, but not the online support that Zillow has. Obviously people are going to be up in arms about that. So today they reported earnings today, obviously, and this is just a straight crapshoot.
This company's done. This chart is done. Like, I don't even know how this company is going to recover. And who's big on Zillow is Kathy Woods.
Oh yeah, this is done. Ark is going to take a bath tomorrow. Think about this way, right? If you're a company that's your entire business model is hinging on selling houses, and you say I'm not doing it anymore, and you don't have a plan,
that's a plot change.
Yeah, like you don't have a plan. At least Zuckerberg decides to say I'm going to create a new whole internet.
And that's pretty cool though. No lie.
That's a good concept.
I think he's going somewhere with that, and I think it's going to be big. I think it's going to be huge.
I think we're going to cover. Yeah, we're going to cover that on the podcast next week. I'm gonna do a whole thing about the metaverse, and I'm
actually really excited about that. Yeah.
Because I do think that there is going to be a whole new way of living.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Think about like Nike is getting in on it already. Nike's
virtual
already
reality. Yeah.
Nike's already starting. Right? Imagine having to buy digital Nike shoes, bruh. Like,
I think it's cool. Yeah. But anyway,
that's crazy.
Going back to Zillow, it's short Zillow.
Yeah, this is done. This stock is completely dead now. That's going to be crazy tomorrow. So I am excited to short Zillow tomorrow. More pain for the stock. We're gonna bank on their misery. And that's pretty much it for today's episode of Daddy Bits. Thank you guys for joining us today, and I hope that you guys found that informative and useful. Right, and if you haven't yet, make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that hit that notification bell, hit the subscribe button. Right, give us a nice thumbs up if you guys like this content. Because John, if they give us a thumbs down,
your mama is a hoe.
It's so good. Drop down in the comment section of a little stocks you guys want us to cover. Also, don't forget to hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. Don't know where to start, new to trading, or just want to join a group of active traders that have your best interests at heart, make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. Follow us on all social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades, tradingdaddies.com for all your news, your merch. And don't forget, I am wash.shop for some nice dad gear, right? Just get on Instagram and follow wash.brand, and you guys can see some more over there. And that's pretty much it. And with that being said, let's get trading. And remember, guys, that the charts do not lie.
Yeah.